Hi, my name is Nick Modesti from Modesti's Car Care Center. I'm the business manager here, and I wanted to talk to you about some of the things that we're doing during this crisis to help keep you safe, help keep our employees safe. What we've been doing is you'll notice when you come in to the shop or when you drop off your vehicle, we'll be wearing masks. You may see us wearing gloves as well. We've installed 3 hand sanitizing stations in the customer service area, along with antibacterial soap in all of our restrooms. Today I just wanted to show you what it is that we do when a vehicle arrives to help protect you. So first off is we want to identify the touch points of your vehicle. The most common one is going to be the outer door handle, the inner door handle, your window switches, door locks, the turn signal and headlight switch, the wiper switch, of course the steering wheel, the seat, the armrest, the gear shifter, the radio. So these are the common touch points. Also the trunk release as well. We have EPA registered hospital grade sanitizer that we use and a fresh clean microfiber cloth. And we spray the sanitizer into the towel, not onto your car directly, because we don't want to damage any of the electrical components or create a gooey, sticky mess. What we do is we just wipe down all the touch points inside the vehicle, and then from there we go ahead and we put covers inside the vehicle. So we're going to cover up the floor. We're going to cover up the steering wheel. We'll go ahead and put this on. We also cover up the shifter. Typically, for service advisors, will come out, they'll go ahead and sanitize the key. They'll go ahead and put a floor mat and seat cover in the vehicle, and then they'll go back in and sanitize their hands. Now, after the technician is done working on your vehicle, the same process happens, but in reverse. So the last thing we do is going to be sanitizing the vehicle, wiping down all the touch points, wiping down your key, and then we place your key in a sanitized area for when you pick up the vehicle. We appreciate your patience with us as we go through this time. If you need us, we're here for you.